we have lecture 5. We will talk about create simple logos. Lecture outcomes. We will learn these things. Select a logo template or start with a blank canvas. Choose shapes and symbols that represent your brand. Add brand name, customize fonts, colors, and sizes. Adjust layout and alignment for balance. Ensure the logo looks good in different sizes. Download in PNG format with transparent background. First of all, we go to canva.com. Okay, and we will choose any size, but I need Instagram post square. Okay, it's good for logo. Okay, it's square and simple. Okay, so now I will press on no thanks and go to, if we want to choose logo, and go to graphics and see the logo. So what is your brand talking about? Fashion, technology, teaching, or anything else? What's the name of the type of your brand? Okay, if it's company or store or anything else. Okay, now we will talk about fashion. Okay, okay, and now in graphics we will see a lot of elements like this. So beautiful and simple. You must choose simple elements for your logo. Okay, don't choose something like this or like this, like this. These are not good for logo. It's good for design, for social media design, for presentation or cards, but not for business card and for logo. Okay, you must choose something so simple, has 2 colors only, or 1 color is the best. Okay, and now it's so bad for logo. Also this so bad. Also this so bad. But this one is beautiful. As you see, it's 2 colors, and this one is, I think, not bad, but it just has a face, so it is bad for logo. Okay, so I will search about looking for something beautiful and simple. If you see something like this, it is good for all the stores or all companies. Okay, but it's bad for modern companies. Okay, and now I will see something simple and beautiful. Okay, if we can use the dress or bag or shoes or anything else. Okay, it will be more simple and beautiful. Okay, and choose something about the dress. Okay, like this one, so beautiful. Okay, but it is a problem. Okay, we can't use this, but so beautiful and simple, as you see. Something like this, it's also beautiful for logo, and like this. Okay, like this is so wonderful. Okay, and this is also so wonderful, I think, and so simple. I will choose this one. I think it's so beautiful for fashion. Okay, and we will choose the color of our brand. Okay, and here I want to make it purple. I love purple color. So we can choose our text in here. Like letters store, for example. Okay, and we will choose our font. The font must be the same of the logo. Okay, I mean, I don't know how can I describe this. That is, it should be consistent with the element, this element, okay, with the logo. So we can choose our font, and this is so wonderful for fashion. Okay, also this one. And this one's so beautiful. No, this is not good, not consistent with the element, with the logo. Okay, it's good. If you see, they are consistent. Okay, so now we will go to the text color and make the text like this. Okay, it will be here. I made it stick to the logo. Okay, it will be so wonderful. Okay, as you see, it looks like we draw the logo with the text, okay, on the pen or pencil. Okay, and now we will share this logo and download it as a PNG. Okay, not JPG, PNG. Now this is the color for the logo, and we will create it in another color. Okay, it will be white. So why we must to change the color of the text and logo to white? Because of we put our logo in image that has solid color, it will never appear. Okay, it will be not beautiful. So I will share it as a white color, and you will see the example how it's work. Okay, this color is purple, and this one it is white. Okay, so now I want to create home and go to design. Sorry. And I want to choose anything about fashion. Okay, template about fashion, and it mustn't be a pro. Okay, I will choose any one. Customize. We'll customize this design. Okay, now I will upload I will press no thanks, and now I will upload my logo, my new logo. Okay, the first color was purple. Okay, so it didn't be transparent. Okay, it is white color. So why? I think we have a problem here with Canva. I will come back to the logo. As you see, the background is white. If we make it black, it will appear. So I want to share it, download as a PNG. Oh, this step is for Pro only. So how can we make it transparent? We will go to remove PG. We'll go here and upload our images. this one and this one. The first one is this, and we will download it. Okay, and we will come back and upload another one. The second one is white color. And download. So now we will try here to put our logo, upload files, and we will choose the two logos, white and purple. This one is purple. As you see, it is transparent. We can put it anywhere. Okay, so the second one is in white color. So the remove background, it didn't working with this one because of it is in the white color. So how can we do that? We can do that with the black background. Okay, we will come back with the steps and go to the background. We'll press on background. We'll go to the background color and change it to black color. And press on share and download and download it. And go to the remove background and back here and upload image. And we will choose this one and upload. As you see, it can remove background for this image now. Okay, now I will upload files and press this one and open. Now we can use it anywhere, the white color or the purple color. Okay, if we have the solid background, we can use the white one, and if we have light color, we can use the purple one. Okay, this is for solid color and this is one for light colors. Okay, we created this simple logo, and you can create your logo for your work. Okay, for your business. Okay, now what's your opinion about this logo? Do you see it beautiful or not? And you can create your own logo for your business. Thanks for watching this lecture, and goodbye.